Ciao ragazzi, good afternoon and welcome to Cosimo Kitchen Show. Fantastici! Today we're gonna make arancini, rice bowls. There are many versions doing it, but this is my version and I hope you're gonna like it. Plain rice, risotto in bianco. I've done it yesterday because it's better if you do the day before. The rice is gonna have a rest, nice, you know. So the best way to do the arancini is not like, I wanna do the arancini today. No. When you're gonna make a risotto, mushrooms risotto, risotto with bolognese, plain risotto, any risotto you're gonna make, obviously. Not the seafood one, not with the fish. It's not looking good. But when you make the risotto, do a bit more, and then whatever you got left, keep it in the fridge, and the following day you can do the arancini. This is my recipe, not too heavy. I don't want to say healthy, boys. It's not healthy, I'm afraid, because we're gonna have loads of vegetables, oil, fry it, and that's it really. Let's add in our rice, I already chopped some parsley. Keep going with parmesan. Keep going with the pinch of salt, maybe slightly more. A touch of olive oil. Olive oil, a good one. Crack an egg. Bing. Bada bing, bada boom. In there. Crack the other two because I'm gonna need them later. A one. And two. Done. Now let's mix the rice with all of these ingredients. Make sure you cook the risotto under al dente because you're gonna cook the rice still in the oil for 2-3 minutes. There we are. Let's stir the eggs. Little bit of olive oil in here will help you to make your balls perfect. Like that. That's it. Let's start. How big you choose. It's not a big deal really. To play like this. A golf ball apparently needs to be the right size of your ball. You make a little hole in there, little hole, and you add a piece of mozzarella cheese. Add some rice and give a form. There we are. Straight in the egg and then straight in the breadcrumbs and cover. That's it. That's it. Beautiful. Okay, our arancini ready. As I said, you make them the size that you like. Smaller, bigger, whatever really. It's up to you. There isn't a proper rule how they need to be big. Induction on, pan on, vegetables, oil. Don't be shy with the oil, with the vegetables oil. The oil needs to cover completely the arancini. You need always to make sure the oil is getting hot. It's literally boiling. When you see these little balls coming up, it's getting ready. If you put them in just about warm oil, it's gonna be really bad. That will be so soggy that will taste really disgrateful, and you don't want that. So that's ready. Let's add our arancino. You see? Oh, this is what we want to hear. Don't put too many. Give them space. How long we should cook them? The rice is already cooked under al dente. So I would suggest no more than 2 minutes. It doesn't really matter how big is your arancini, but no more than 2 minutes. And then you play with the oil, covering like that. You're moving around, you see? Turning around. That's it. Eccoci qua. Our arancini ready. Beautiful. This is the color. This is the color that we need. This is what we need. This color. Don't burn them. Cook them, but do not burn them. Eccoci qua. Our arancini. Beautiful. Quite big, yeah? Ready to serve. I prepared this little salad, and then a little bit of olive oil and salt. We're gonna put our arancini on top. A little touch. I don't know why, but I like this. Parmesan flakes. From Cosimo Kitchen Show, i miei arancini di riso, i miei, ours. I love you so much, guys. Everything I do seems like I'm doing it with all of you. And I would like to spend 30 seconds. Thank you very much for loads of people are watching me and subscribe my channel. Behind this passion, cooking, there is a lot of sacrifices, you know. I don't want to mention the loss and the time. It's just the hard work is behind this. And you guys, you give me the strength to keep going. While I see every day new subscribers, viewers, 1,000 viewers, this is absolutely something for me, magic. So thank you, it's not enough. Thank you, it's nothing. Seriously, God will please all of you. You deserve it. Arancini, I love you. Ciao.